I love to tour. I don't like it.
I just took a shower and I washed my hair. Finally, I'm finished.
Change. It's gonna feel as I unleash how we can work it. I ask my neighbor, I have to let me be far from this trial to so take us through the hours. I won't be
of how beautiful the world can be, what a beautiful place it can be. Sorry I have the hiccups. I have to be honest. Todo para ti has been invaluable. I love you and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And I'm sorry about the hiccups.
Ha ha ha!